Meantime, we've got a volatile pre-market for Chinese names, including Alibaba. They originally moved higher on this report that China considered reviving Ant's IPO. But according to Reuters, Ant has since posted a statement on its WeChat account saying it has no plans to initiate an IPO, citing what it calls guidance from regulators. Jim, there's also sort of a very fuzzy picture regarding reopening versus some incremental lockdowns over there. But what do you think? Is the door reopening on China Tech?
It doesn't sound like it. I know the Unisoon's talking about the idea that they've got ahead of themselves and that Ant is still on the list of not. Look, Didi, yes, they gave him Didi. I have, by the way, I have Uber on tonight. That could be good news if Didi were to go up. But, David, I got to tell you, once again, America's trapped in these stocks. The people who love these stocks have come on, talked them up. And what do? Do they dump them, David? What do they do?
I don't know. Listen, they've had a very rough run, although they've had a great couple of weeks here, right, other than today. This turnaround in Alibaba was strange. Again, remember, the Ant IPO would have been, by the way, just to remind people, the largest IPO of all time, if I recall, when I was tracking it pretty closely. And then it just ran into a wall. They ran afoul of regulators. That's when, remember, people were asking me where Jack Ma is, and people were saying, well, he's been disappeared, and I found him.
Do you remember you found him?
Yes, I found him.
Where was it? Where did you find him?
He was home. He was just home. Yeah.
Home?
Yeah, he was home. I mean, he wasn't getting out much. I don't want to say that he was, and we have not heard very often from, there he is, from Jack since then. He has been quieted dramatically. And, if you shorted Chinese tech back then, Jim, that was a great move because it was certainly reflective of a new posture from the government in terms of cracking down overall on tech. And then we've seen all the things that have followed. It does seem they're starting to take the shackles off a bit lately. We have seen a bit of a rebound in any number of these things, obviously coupled with the no longer locking down Shanghai. Beijing, the opening up of the economy, that's been helpful as well.
Yeah, but David, is it a crackdown on tech? Or is it a crackdown on rich people? Does the government feel threatened by billionaires?
Well, I think it could be both, couldn't it?
Yes,
they're not. They're not mutually exclusive.
Yeah, the government doesn't want anyone challenging it. I thought that Jack Ma was kind of like a pseudo government, and then I realized that he was not. When he went into hiding and you found him, that he wasn't as powerful as I thought.
He was always walking a line, and it was always interesting to watch and to speak to him and see what he was willing to say. He knew he was because he was outspoken. He was by far the most high-profile businessman in the country for some period of time, the richest man in the country. So, Jim, yeah, it was always sort of a balance for him.